In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently create and manage vendor bills within Odoo. This process is critical for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring timely payments to your vendors. Let's dive right into it. First, to access the necessary tools, navigate to your Odoo dashboard and look for the accounting application. It's the central hub for all your financial operations within Odoo. And from here, we'll handle everything related to vendor billing. Once inside the accounting module, direct your attention to the top menu where you'll see a tab labeled Vendors. Clicking on this will lead you to an option called Bills. Selecting this option will display a comprehensive list of all existing vendor bills in your system, giving you a clear picture of all current obligations. Now, to create a new bill, simply click the New button, which opens a fresh vendor bill form ready for your input. This form is your blank canvas where we will input all the necessary details related to a specific vendor bill. First, you'll need to identify the vendor. Look for the vendor field and select the supplier from whom you've received the bill. It's crucial to choose the correct vendor to ensure your records remain accurate and up to date. Next, we need to enter the date the bill was issued. This information goes in the bill date field. Accurate recording of the issue date helps in determining our payment timelines and obligations. Additionally, while optional, you have the option to specify a due date. This is the date by which payment is expected, aiding in cash flow management and setting reminders for due payments, which ensures you maintain good relationships with your vendors. In the vendor reference section, input the unique invoice or reference number that the vendor has provided. This number is essential as it assists with tracking and reconciliation, especially useful when dealing with multiple invoices. Once you've filled out these foundational details, it's time to add invoice lines. Head over to the Invoice Lines tab and click on Add a Line. This is where you'll input specific items or services provided. Select the product or service from the list. If you've pre-configured products in Odoo, the software will automatically populate details such as price and applicable taxes, thus saving you time and reducing errors. Following this, enter the quantity of the product or service received. This will automatically calculate totals, ensuring you have all the precise figures at your fingertips. After thoroughly reviewing all the information and confirming its accuracy, the final step is to click the Confirm button. Doing so validates the bill and posts it to your accounting records, bringing the process to completion. And there you have it, a systematic approach to managing vendor bills within Odoo. Following these steps will help you streamline your financial processes, maintain accurate records, and build strong vendor relationships. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on managing your business with Odoo.